Punta tayo sa basement. Yung asawa ko, busy naman siya dito. Yung pusa namin, andun palagi natutulog. So, ito yung fireplace namin dito. So, nagamit na namin to ng 2 beses, 2 times. We use this.
Yeah, I use it sometimes.
Yeah. But we need to put something,
Polish it. Make it nice and clean
huh?
and new.
What did you put this?
It's a polish. It's
Ah,
right up
polish?
there.
Still have?
Polish. No, there's a tiny bit in the jar, but not enough to do anything with it.
This. So, we put this
It's like a black wax.
to make, like, new. So, yan, dito ko ilagay yung table namin na maliit yung nasa labas. Para may time kami minsan. Dito kami. So, yan po yung Bowflex niya. Walang gamit. Ako lang yung gumagamit once in a while. So, he used that. Nagamit niya yan before kami nag-meet.
Yeah, it was at 285 pounds.
That
No,
time.
185. Sorry, 185.
No, the
When
time
when
when
we
you
got
go to,
married.
yeah? Kasi imagine mga mami, nung ginamit niya yan, bago kami nagka kita sa nagka-chat, 185 pounds. Yeah, 185 pounds lang siya nung nagpunta siya sa Pilipinas na nagpakasal kami 2012. So nagpakasal kami ng 2012. Ano pa lang siya, 185 now. How much na?
325.
Serious?
No, 324.
You're very, oh my God. So he arranged here.
Clean all the spider
He
web.
clean. Okay, that's very clean now. Good. That's good, babe. So, kinuha niya yung mga spider web dito. Tapos, ina-arrange niya ng konti. So, dito marami pa kaming mga gamit. So, yan lahat ng nasa box ng ganito. Ano yan? Mga computer parts. Mahilig siyang yun ang ayaw ko din kasi yung bang magtatambak lang ng daming gamit. So, ayaw ko ng ganun. So, ito naman. So, ito, napakalinis pa to at saka yung parang brand new pa lang talaga. So, nakuha namin yan doon sa malapit sa my fire station kasi doon naglalagay yung mga tao ng para sa katulad nung binili ko na mga used na clothes. Diyan tinatambak tapos kinukuha lang ng mga taong nagtitinda ng mga clothes. Meron dito malapit sa amin. Pero di kami nangunguha diyan. Doon ako na bumibili sa tindahan na bali. So, yeah, that's good. Wow. It's arranged here. So, thank you, babe. So, ito yung gamit niya pang golf. Mahilig siyang mag-golf, pero di na siya naglalaro. Di na siya nag-golf. No,
There's a small.
just small
It's
as...
not hitting the table.
Okay. Because,
Yeah, I took
last
a look
year, doon, so ako yung nagrarap kasi ang dami na naming kahoy dito. Sa kabila pala. So, on the other side too.
Yep, fixed.
Did you?
Corner, yeah.
When?
A couple of weeks back.
My God.
I know, I gotta redo everything in here.
So, that's why,
At least now you can stick some boxes and stuff up here.
so,
Flip the
okay.
thing upside down. So that's the wood rack.
What this?
It's the wood rack.
Okay.
These are the table
So-
parts and some piece of.
No, I really want to put in the bag, the luggage, because
On
it's
top of the chair.
dust.
Oh well, that's your.
No, because
that's up to you. Do what you want to do.
because
You got
very
1,
dust.
2, 3 luggage.
Okay, yeah, especially this one I really want to put to bring in the
You do what you gotta do
bring
with
to
it.
the welfare because it's heavy this bag. I need like same this.
Whatever. Do what you
And
gotta
this
do.
one too because it's broke this. I remember.
Bent.
No, it's broke this.
Whatever.
But I
So
want to
now-
check because I think have a small luggage like this, have medium
Now you
size.
point this. You got space. You can put boxes up here now. All this, all up on top inside is all clean.
Okay. So,
That's
we
a lot
clean
of
this.
freaking work.
Alam niyo mga mami nung at saka ano pala ito, ang hirap kasi ako yung nag nito, nag-wrap. Pero that time puno-puno yung lahat ng wood namin sa labas. Kung nakikita niyo naman kung gaano yun kadami. Yung it cord namin, dito ko yan nilalagay lahat, hinahakot namin lahat. So all the wood namin nilagay namin dito sa loob para pag winter na hindi na kami lalabas ng bahay para kukuha ng wood at i-stack dito kasi sobrang pagod po at saka sobrang lamig at saka pangalawa po pag marami ng snow kahit may takip yon marami pa rin snow na mapasok madala namin dito sa loob ng bahay tapos mababasa yung plywood doon yung sahig. So, yan kaya ngayon ang layo nung ng wood namin tapos nakakapagod na po kaya naisipan namin doon na lang sa labas tapos takpan na lang uli. Maliban lang sa yung mga napakalaking klase ng wood na namin ipasok namin dito sa loob. So at least konti na lang yung ipapasok namin. Tapos yan. Yung wood pala, tira pala namin. I thought, babe, we used all the wood last year. So, yung asawa ko ang nagko-control. Ang nagko-control sa wood dahil kung ako, siguradong ubos yan. Month of January or February, ubos na yung wood. So, yung asawa ko ang nagko-control kung paano kasi mas alam niya kung paano keep ng warm dito. Maliban lang sa kung papasok na kami sa trabaho, maglagay siya bago kami alis. So ito, marami akong mga ganito. Ito matagal na to mga mami. Ano pa lang to? This kind of
That's what I've been using to start the fire.
yeah,
Shots.
I know, but I mean this is about 3 years or 4.
3, 4 years.
Yeah, because ito kasi yung mga nakuha ko na mga branch doon sa kasi lumipat kami, nakuha namin tong bahay is 2000 what year? 19? Yeah, 2019. Yeah, after namin ng magbakasyon sa Pinas. So, naglinis ako dun sa labas, yung mga branch ito, yung mga pinuputol ko, kinakat ko po. Alam nyo ba, lang to, yung handsaw lang gamit ko nito. Pinuputol, ang dami nito mga ma'am. Tapos may natira pa. Kasi yung boss namin sa trabaho, binigyan niya kami ng mga nakat na mga, yung mag-umpisa ba ng fire, yung mga ganito na wood. Kasi mga moms, kung bibili kami nito, yung isang bag, $7 to $8 now per bag.
No, $8 to $9. Anywhere from 8 to 10, depending on where you buy it at.
Yeah,
You
because
buy it at
last
a small depanneur there, like say right here at the corner, at the gas station here.
last year
$10
is
to $12.
last year tiningnan ko about $7 yung per bag. Tapos per bag naman nagagamit lang yun sa asawa ko ha?
2 years ago it was $7 to $8.
So just for starting the fire before he put the big kind of piece of wood.
Because that burns easier, it starts faster.
Then if that one bag is just like 3 times only that he used, about 3 times only. So kung iisipin mo, if 3 times only, so every day, gagawa kami ng fire every day. So 3 days only. Oh my God.
$7 every 3 days,
So how many? 6 months?
$14 a week.
So very expensive po
You save
talaga.
$15 a week.
So, dito maglalagay ako, dito kami maglalagay ng wood para mas malapit lang sa sa fire. So, naisipan ko nga sanang maglagay ng Christmas tree dito kasi mas magandang tingnan yung beside sa sa fireplace namin, may Christmas tree. Mas gusto ko yun. Kaso lang, meron kaming TV dito, tapos meron naman siyang decoration dyan.
You can put the Christmas tree right here. We can just empty this now. We got the space in there. I can put all these boxes up on top.
No, because dami pa naming gawain mga moms.
But you could put
No,
it here.
because of that.
Yeah, I can move that.
Have a chair there. Oh, very dirty na
it's been
our cat, she sleep over there.
Oh, here.
At pag winter, mga moms, alam niyo ba, yung cat namin, palagi yan dito sa sa harap ng sa harap ng fireplace namin. So, dito siya palagi kasi mainit nga. So, ito hindi pa to nalinis kasi ginagamit namin
Keep that
to.
blankie for her.
So, minsan, yan, kinikip ko yan dito. Huhugasan ko pa yan.
And all the bricks. And most of the ceiling on this side. It's
Yeah.
almost all done on the ceiling.
Kasi pag parang nagki-craving na ako ng barbecue, so nagluluto ako ng barbecue dito, nilagay ko dyan sa loob. Kasi marami namang charcoal, di ba? Pag pag
And barbecue my hot dogs in here.
It's cute. Yeah, so ang ganda po talaga. Gusto ko talaga maglagay ng something decoration kasi nga ang ganda po talaga tingnan sa sa fireplace. Lalo alam niyo ba, lalo na pag Christmas, tapos maririnig mo yung sound ng ng fire diyan. Tapos mayroon kang Christmas tree. Maybe I put something. So ito lang sa amin yung ceiling dito. Ganito pa siya, hindi pa siya kinuha ko yung may nilagay dito yung matanda. Yung parang pipar lang siya na thick na may silver. So, yun ang nilalagay niya. So, yan po ang problema namin kasi nga gusto namin tong i-fix pa kunti-kunti. Kasi yung sahig kasi namin mga mami dito sa kusina, may part dito na hindi siya straight. Ewan ko ba kung anong ginawa nung matanda. Parang sinisira niya yung bahay eh. At saka nung pagdating namin dito, hindi namin yun nakikita kasi nga puno yun dito, no? Puno. So, nang nandito na kami, so syempre naglilinis na kami. Alam nyo ba mga mami, yung sahig, ang daming yung pako ba yan sa Tagalog? Yung nail ba? So, ang dami talagang delikado sa ulo mo. So, inaano ko yung yung nail. Oh my God, ang dami mga moms.
If we go buy a couple of cans of spray foam,
Yeah,
we pull all that insulation out the back in there. Come here.
it's cold.
Just come here, I'll show you.
Did you feel the air? Which part?
Come stand right here. Stick your head up here. Stick your head up, look over the pipe, and look at the insulation at the bottom of the wall.
Okay. Have a little
Can you
hole.
see through the wall?
A little
You can see the
hole.
light outside, can't
Yeah.
you? Yeah. So if we pull all this stuff in out and see what it looks like back there, and
Yeah, I feel
Buy some.
the cold.
buy some foam in a can again.
Foam?
Yeah, you know, like I had before. Sorry, watch your head.
That's foam.
Spray.
We don't
all
have
the way
now?
through. No, I have a can, but it doesn't come out anymore.
Have a little
Can is like
hole.
almost full.
So dito mga mami, para makita ninyo at maintindihan sa hindi alam. So ito yung basement namin, it's hollow block to. Alam nyo ba
The
na
whole block is fine, but
parang walang have a cement every hole of this?
no,
No?
it's empty.
It's empty, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So ito mga mami, walang semento to sa loob. 'Di ba yung block may yan, may hole yan sa parang 2 holes ata. So wala siyang laman na semento. Lang parang pinagtagpi-tagpi lang to tapos tingnan nyo, foam ito.
And it's not supposed to be foam like that.
Yeah, it's foam. Tapos
Yeah,
ito
not
yung
supposed
insulation, babe.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
pink insulation there.
Yeah, the like cotton.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
should be spray foam instead.
Ah,
Spray
okay.
foam is far superior.
It's easy. I mean, it's what I call this. It's much better
Yeah, much better.
that foam.
What do you think I use on the pipe for the toilet? Why do you think it doesn't leak anymore?
Okay.
I just filled it with spray foam.
So that's why
but we can't use
hindi
it.
namin mag-gets mga mami, kaya nga minsan parang naaano ako kasi nga ang sobrang dami at ang laki po ng kailangan naming gagawin na parang yung iniisip namin na magpa-renovate. Tapos hindi namin kaya yung parang bilisan lang na renovate kasi nga ang dami ngang dito.
It can be done, but
Minsan naisip ko nga na parang
it's
ibenta
hard
na
to do
lang.
when you're living in it. And it's hard to do when you don't have money.
Eh,
The money part, that's the hardest one.
Kaya naisip ko na lang namin na pakunti-kunti namin na i-renovate tapos ibenta.
For tonight.
Kasi parang naano ako. So, I think this one be much better. We transfer this
Yeah, I
inside
wanted to
there.
transfer it in there
So, we
or
had
something,
space here for the
That's
table.
what I was thinking.
And maybe we can use the Bowflex once in a while.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get some space in here and try to get all the boxes in there too. So
Yeah,
it's a
at
little
least.
cleaner, easier to maintain because it's just too much clutter in here right now.
So, meron kaming TV dito na hindi
And I
ginagamit.
finally want to fix that damn TV. I got the tool for it. I want to fix it now.
Seriously?
Yeah, I have the tool. Remember I bought it for the water heater. To test the water heater? Well, it's the same tool. I need
Yeah,
to fix
that one for the coat. I
that.
really
Yeah,
want.
we're gonna move it. But
I want to move there
I
something
gotta drill the screw because the screw broke inside.
for the maybe for the I check their area. So yan lang po mga nam. So for now, I'm done because I'm tired na. So outside is just Rick for the garbage.
Look outside.
So after dito mga moms, dito pa meron pa pala kaming natira dito. So ganito po kadami yung gawain namin, di namin alam kung matatapos ba namin to. So yan, kailangan pa namin. Hindi yan no, all that cardboards I transfer that can use. Yeah, no, that's not good. So ito yung freezer namin. Alam nyo pag winter time, yung freezer namin, hindi namin yan ino-on.
Yeah.
Naka-off lang yan. Kasi yung mga nilalagay namin dyan na mga meat,
Free freezer in winter time.
everything is frozen. So, naka-off yan yung freezer namin. So, dito naman kami. So, all this box is empty?
It's all empty. It's all for burning.
Okay.
Nothing good here.
I don't want to burn yet because it's windy and lots of
Yeah, I know,
dry
today
leaves
it's
on the
windy, it's
ground.
cold, it's, yeah.
So, I want
All
to...
the dry leaves on the ground, we can
So,
rake
we
them
have
up and
lots
throw
of
them
need
in.
to do.
It'll be good for starting the
It's
fire.
not easy. So we need to fix the tarp. Hopefully we can fix this because I want to fix the
Yes,
door
I'm fixing the door.
because it's less cold here.
Not only is it less cold, I'm tired of the freaking raccoon.
Babe, you need to check the snow blower too, ha.
Yes, I know.
Oh, dami pa namin gawain mga
I
mami.
gotta change the cord on it.
Yun po. Oh. So yan. So for now, this is
Lots of work, that's what it was.
I feel cold now.
Way too much cardboard.
What inside the cardboard there? I forget now.
It's all my junk
It's junk.
from before I married you. No, it's not junk. It's my stuff.
If not the
Collecting stuff. It's my boxes for my Nintendo games, which I hope the squirrel's not living in. It probably is, and they're probably finished now. Because that stuff's worth money.
you need to check that, and if not, it's garbage. So yan po yung mga tiles ko na nabili, yung by box there. 10 boxes of tiles para yan sa sa CR doon sa sa room. No, it's not good kind of the eyeglass that. Just for oh my god, I feel cold.
They still need to be cleaned. You can still keep them, use them in the car. For sunglasses.
So yan, pag winter, dito na po kami dumadaan sa basement. Hindi na po kami dumadaan doon sa sa sliding door. Actually po, yung main door namin is yung yung dito sa harap ng bahay. Kaso di kami dumadaan doon sa hagdan kasi nga hindi na po maganda. Yeah. And this one, much better this
In between.
we still have there
Yeah, I want to do the 3 damn windows too.
So this window, ito ma-open pa to.
Between.
Ma-open pa to, pero dalawa kasi to eh. So ma-open pa tong dalawa, pero hindi namin ino-open yan kasi nga
Windows.
masyadong malaki. So ang gagawin namin, masyadong maginaw. Diyan lalagyan namin ng Yung insulation, ano, ganito. Ito yung pinapakita ko kanina doon sa ano sa wall. So ito po. Ito po siya. So ito po yung nilalagay between sa mga ano sa dingding, sa wall. So yan ilalagay namin between sa door kasi ang laki po ng door na yan tapos half lang yun.
That window, and the window in that closet. Cover them too. Block them, fill them with insulation.
It's very cold.
That will make a huge difference. And I mean a huge difference.
Yeah, we need to put cover because it's very cold po. So, ganyan po dito yung dingding po, double. Tapos, ano, may distansya po, tulad nun doon, oh. Kung makikita ninyo. May distansya po yung door, yung ano namin. So, yan. Parang medyo malaki din yung distansya. So, yan. Tapos na po akong mag-demo. Hopefully, my God, ang dumi ng hinihigaan ni Starbucks. So, at least, malinis na dito. Pero, maging madumi to pagpasok namin sa wood uli.
That's her blankie, so it's fine. At least you don't have the cushion itself.
So, yan. Bye-bye po sa lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share. Of course, subscribe. So, see you till next video. So, thank you so much. God bless us all. So, ako'y aakyat na po sa taas. Ito po, ha?
More shopping bags here by the time.
I still have here upstairs. Ito yung isa pang balde namin na pintura. Hindi pa yan na-open. So, yan. Bye-bye po sa lahat talaga. Bye-bye. Ingat-ingat po kayong lahat. Di pa kami tapos.